You will love the features of this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.